Yes, hello viewers. My name is Isaac, and today I want to talk briefly about making contours. And as we know, soil erosion management is very important because if you don't manage your soils and keep it free from erosion, water is going to wash it down into the swamps or into the neighboring streams of water. So in the construction of our contours, we use what they call an A-frame, and this is how an A-frame looks like. You have about 3 sticks joined together, and these 2 sticks are supposed to be equal in length, and the third one is also not equal when it comes to the length as these ones, but you can see it's just joined and connecting this one to make it firm as possible. So we have hinged a string in the middle of this to act as a pendulum. This is a small stone that we have just picked, and these stones we have just these sticks rather we have just brought it from we have just cut it from the surrounding. So what we do with our A-frame is that uh, so after you have made your A-frame with equal, this inch should be the same centimeters as this one, and also the height from ear to ear should be exactly the same as from ear to ear. So in between 2 pegs, you put there your 2 pegs and you calibrate your A-frame just by bringing it in the middle of this, and you come from the side. We are going to calibrate our A-frame, and what we do is just tilt this a little bit and allow our string to move like this. Where it has hit 3 times consecutively, we mark. For example, if it has hit here, we are going to mark here. And then we turn it the other way around again, and let it move. You hold it straight, upright, let it move. Where it has touched 3 times, you put a mark. So as you can see, this is what we have done for our A-frames. We have put a mark here, and determine the middle point of these two by just using a tape measure and cutting the middle of these two. So this point is where we are going to be adjusting our A-frames, and each and every time we make an adjustment, this string has to come and hit this midpoint about 3 times, and that will give us the exact point of where to peg into the ground. And continue. So we have, after we are done calibrating, we simply move our A-frame this way. So we move our A-frame along, and now try to adjust it horizontally along this elevation. As you can see, we have done a bit of it. We have been demonstrating to our farmers somewhere in Uganda on how to do this. And what you do is just swing it around, and each and every time you swing, you observe that it has to hit the middle section of what we had calibrated around 3 times. So if it is not hitting, you keep on adjusting it down slope. If it goes further away, you can put it up again to see, and keep doing that. Each time you do, you sway it a bit until it touches the middle point 3 times. So from what I can see, it is touching the middle part, and we are going to peg it in around here. So we do this continuously along the slope of your field, horizontally to the slope of your field.
Yes.
It's okay. Yeah, started. Yes, so after we have pegged along the horizontal part of the slope, uh, as indicated by these two pegs, what we do is bring your hoe and try to excavate around 40 centimeters deep, and this part has to be around 0.7